What's for breakfast, Joe? Yeah? Where's your foods? Where is it? Is it going to be chicken? Yeah? Okay, where is it? All right. Mm-hmm. Here we go. I've got that. Ingredient number one. Oh, yeah, it's so exciting. And we're going to go over to the refrigerator. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Let's see here. Chicken. Oh, yeah. Are you going to have some? Oh, yeah. Let's have some. All right. Come here. Kisses.